Hi there, Mark. It's Marcy Hutton here recording the video I said I would record for you. Now, what I'm going to show you in this video are 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. I wouldn't be surprised if you were asking yourself, why would I be making videos for people? But the reason is, when it comes to internet marketing, most business owners are too busy running their business to learn how it can actually work to their benefit. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So I found that by giving people an easy blueprint of actual things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those business owners still raising their hands and saying, please do this for me. So if by the end of the video you liked what you've heard, you can see that I've got a few tricks up my sleeve that I could help your business with, then we could chat. Or if by the end of the video you simply want to take the free tips I gave you and do it yourself, that works for me too. Either way, appreciate your feedback. So the 3 things that I'm going to go over are content, citations, and backlinks. When I say content, really nice looking site, by the way. When I say content, what I'm referring to is what I've got highlighted here. So the images, the words that you would have on the home page of your site. Now, Google likes to see anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 words. The reason for that is that when somebody types something in the browser, they want to serve up the most relevant results. They want to keep people on their search engine because that's how they make money. So they like to see anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 because they can go in there then and crawl the web when somebody searches something, and they're going to try to figure out what services are you offering, all of the services, and where are you offering them. That way they can match them up. So you absolutely have a huge opportunity there to add content to your homepage. Make sure it's keyword rich, well written, like not your university style, but just so the grammar and the punctuation is reasonably good. And have your keywords, all of the words that people would be searching in throughout the content. So I'm going to go to citations next. What I mean by citation, it is a place on the internet where you would find your exact business name, address, and phone number. Directories, 411, Yellow Pages, a Yelp listing, Foursquare, all those tons of free business directories online that you could put your site in. How this benefits you is Google crawls the web, sees you cited all over the place. It lets them know that you are in fact a legitimate business. And then when it comes to this map section here, the section that's in the middle of the first page of the search, it's a citation, name, address, phone number. So when you have more citations than everybody else in the market, that's going to help to push you up here. Goal, of course, being getting you into the top 3 here. Statistics show that probably about 50% of the clicks off of the first page are going to any one of these 3 businesses. So if you were looking to make your business more visible and get more clicks to your website, that's a good place to be right there. And of course the paid ads are at the top, but then in the bottom section here is the organic section. So of course the maps and the organic, you're not paying for clicks. So what I've done is I've taken the #1 site that showed up for the search term home renovation Vancouver. That's what I used today. And I'm going to put him in the same tool that I'm going to put your site in. And that leads me to the 3rd thing that I was going to explain, and that's backlinks. The backlinks help to get you up into that bottom section in the organics. And then the organic section will tend to follow the map section, follow the organic section. You'll find the same businesses that are typically appearing up here will usually be showing up in the lower section as well. So what a backlink is it is a link from a third-party site on the internet linking to your website. And sort of the simplest way to explain how this works and how it benefits you is that if you think of the internet as being a big popularity contest, when other sites vote for yours, aka give a link to yours, that's going to push you up in the search engine. Google sees you as being the popular one, so I'm going to push you up so you can be seen more. So In saying that, not all links are created equal. You definitely want to be getting links from reputable sites that have been on the internet a while and Google trusts, and they're relevant to what it is that you do. So this tool is showing me that you have 78 other websites on the internet that are linking back to yours. And there you've got 337 backlinks. You're being found for 71 organic keywords. This is where that content on the site really helps. Unfortunately, though, you can see that we can take a look here and find out. So bathroom, basement renovations, Vancouver, and when we look 29, there's typically 8 to 10 businesses per page. So this would be putting you at bottom of the third, potentially top of the fourth. And that's why it's just not showing that people are finding. Now we can look at that one from the first page there of the search and see what he's got going on here for his metrics. So he's got 262 referring domains. He's being found for almost 3,000 keywords, and he's getting about 1,500 clicks, visitors to his site each month. And when we look, we can see that somebody's done some nice work here, because he's got Renovations Vancouver #1 position, Vancouver Renovation #1. Various ways of saying it. Sometimes people will type in the S, sometimes they won't. So you can optimize for all the different words. And this shows here, Renovations Vancouver is getting roughly 100 searches for that a month, 90 for 60. So it really pays to be. That's where how those numbers show is just being optimized to show up on that first page of the search. So I'm going to leave it at that, Mark. As promised, I don't want to go too long here. So I'm going to email it off to you, and I'll follow up to make sure that you did receive it. Just kind of quickly summarize, 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on your home page. Get yourself, anytime you come across any of those business directories, go ahead and list your business. That's how it helps you. And your backlink profile, if you were to get some links, some powerful links from reputable sites, that's going to help to get you closer up to the first page. First page being where you'd want to be. Bye-bye.